As of October 2018, Pengerang Integrated Complex achieved overall progress of 96% and construction progress of 95%. The project have clocked more than 458 million man-hours project to date. Currently, PIC project holds the national record of 120 million safe man-hours without LTI. Current PIC site workforce around 53,000 personnel from the peak of 64,000 in November 2017. Around 39,000 personnel are residing in the accommodation within PIC site. Key utilities has been delivered to support pre-commissioning and commissioning to support PIC startup. For the water supply, Pamer project has commenced operation since June 2016. Pamer was able to supply 230 million litres per day of raw water to PIC raw water treatment plant through 80 kilometers of water pipeline. PIC raw water treatment plant was completed and is in operation since March 2017. Treated water storage and distribution system has completed in supplying water for fire water system, the mean water, cooling tower and the process unit. Natural gas supply is available from Regasification Terminal 2, which was operationalized in October 2017. The natural gas network system is also connected to Peninsular Gas Utilization Network through 32-inch Pengerang Gas Pipeline project, which was completed and is in operation since June 2017. RGT2 received first LNG cargo in August 2017 into the LNG tanks for regasification and supply of natural gas to Pengerang Cogeneration Plant, fuel gas system and plant process unit. Fuel gas system commenced supply on the 28th of September 2018 to the flare system and for the refinery refractory dry-out activity. Electricity and steam supply for PIC is generated by Pengerang Cogeneration Plant. PCP successfully supplied 400 megawatts power to the national grid since October 2017 and achieved official commercial operation, COD-1 and COD-2 in January and April 2018 respectively. 275 kilovolts high voltage power distribution network has been completed for power distribution to all substation in refinery, steam cracker, petchem and utilities facilities commencing in April 2018. Steam was successfully supplied to refinery and cracker since May 2017 for steam blowing activity. High pressure steam has been normalized to the operating pressure at 53 bars. The letdown facilities has also been completed for supply of medium pressure and low pressure steam. Permanent supply of instrument air was delivered to refinery and cracker since July 2018. Main Control Building MCB 601 and MCB 602 was successfully handed over in May and completed data merging by RC and continue functional test activity. Affluent Treatment Plant has completed first train of AOC and received the first effluent in November. ETP scheduled to achieve full RFSU prior to main facilities startup. Air separation unit was successfully completed, liquid nitrogen storage and vaporizer system. ASU currently supply low pressure nitrogen for PIC commissioning and expected RFSU in December 2018. Flare system for refinery successfully light up on the 30th of September 2018. The Very Large Crude Carrier VLCC vessel successfully arrived at Pengerang Deepwater Terminal 2 on the 22nd of October 2018 and crude discharged from VLCC Trough Pengerang Deepwater Terminal 2 and stored in crude tank. The crude will be transferred to Refinery Tank Farm prior to crude processing. Refinery Tank Farm achieved overall progress of 99% as of October 2018. The priority storage system for crude and the startup material was completed. Successfully crude charged into CDU process unit for circulation on the 31st of October 2018. Refinery packages are focusing on completing remaining pre-commissioning and commissioning activity for startup. Refinery achieved overall progress of 99% and achieved mechanical completion for the critical process units such as crude distillation unit, atmospheric residue desulfurization unit number 2, hydrogen production unit, hydrogen collection and distribution unit, amine recovery unit, kerosene hydro-treating unit, naphtha hydro-treating unit, ARDS common, RFCC common and LPG treating unit. Refinery successfully completed commissioning activity such as refractory dry out of crude distillation unit, mechanical run test for RGC, continued catalyst loading and CO boiler refractory dry out for RFCC. Steam cracker complex achieved overall progress of 98%. Chemical cleaning for butadiene unit and cracking heater was completed and commenced furnace dry out activity. SCC cooling tower has been commissioned for supply of cooling water for mechanical test run activity. Mechanical test run for cracked gas compressor was successfully completed. 18 mounted bullet tanks installation completed and 8 units sphere tanks for ethylene and propylene storage has achieved mechanical completion and commenced with system tightness test. Steam cracker and petchem flare was light up on the 29th of November 2018. Petrochemical plant is progressing as planned and has achieved overall progress of 91% with construction progress reaching 86% completion. Construction focus continued to expedite the piping erection, E&I cable laying and continue with pre-commissioning activity. All petchem substation for package 6A, 7, 11 and 12A has been energized and received permanent power supply. LLDPE plant focusing on completing pre-commissioning activity for system mechanical completion. Completed 100% hydro test activity and continue with instrument loop check, equipment box up and motor solo run. Polypropylene plant main focus on pre-commissioning works with 84% completion of pressure test pack and commenced with commissioning activity for spherical unit. EOEG plant completed 100% of hydro test pack and continue focus on finishing other pre-commissioning activity for preparation of commissioning schedule in November 2018. Flexi PE plant focus on piping erection, installation of electrical equipment and cable pulling activity. Commenced with hydro testing activity for above ground piping. C4INA plant completed installation of all tanks and complete installation of all transformer and electrical panel in substation to support energization targeted in December 2018. Remained focused on mechanical equipment installation works. Solid Product Warehouse successfully installed all 19-unit bulk silos. Completed all ASRS racking block installation and cladding installation works. Finishing installation of bagging machine and continue focus on pre-commissioning and testing activity of SRM crane and bagging line. Solid Product Jetty has achieved overall progress of 98% with construction progress reaching 99% completed. Successfully installed quay crane and focus on finishing pre-commissioning works to achieve overall completion in December 2018. All the efforts, dedication and collaboration from all parties is the key to success. Together, we strive on the final push towards crude in and startup operation of Pengerang Integrated Complex.